Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is another JMC Designs release and this is the Allspice collection, and I will show you some of the projects I've made, but first I want to show you the collection, and they're just super cute images. I loved colouring this girl with the leaves. I'm not going to try and remember all their names because my brain is a bit foggy today, but if you head over to Julia's shop you can see them all. And these are the flowers and the houses that go with the collection, so you can make scenes, which is really awesome. And you can see here I've printed them in different sizes so that I can have some variants in my scenes. They're a mixture of girls and foxes, so each girl has a little foxy friend companion, and you can grab them together in a collection or separately. So for example, if you purchased this collection where you would get this girl, the girl with her fox and this fox, that would actually be cheaper than buying them individually, because Julia usually charges $2.99 for each image, whereas this one you get all three images together and it works out that you get this one free and the other one's cheaper. It's ridiculously good values. So I don't think I did a very good job of explaining that, but I just wanted to point out that you get a better deal and you're not paying twice to get the image together. Julia's just kindly given it to you if you want to use them together. So as I said, go and check out the store because my memory's not great today and I don't want to do her disservice by saying something wrong. So that's the main collections, and then you also get some more. You get these two girls. You get So this girl with her fox, I've used these for my Christmas cards, which I'll show you in a minute. And you also get these cute accessory pack, and then these sentiments. So I'm sorry that was quick, but it's such a big collection, and I want to keep this video as short as possible so you can go and watch the other ladies afterwards. So please check out the shop if you want to know exactly what combinations things come in, because there's lots of different collections. Okay, so on to what I've made. Now, because it was such a big collection, I decided that I would make a junk journal, because it was the only way I could use all of the images together and without making tons and tons of cards. But also I wanted to show everybody that it is possible to use these images for a junk journal no matter what your style. So I started off with a little National Trust book which was about fruit in the summer, and I wanted to make it more autumny, so I just added some book paper and I went over it all with matte medium and collaged it, and then I added these big brush pens in autumnal colours, not blue, and I sealed it all, and then I added Julia's lovely images. So I've got one of the sentiments on the front. The trees are about to show us how lovely it is to let dead things go, and I've used I can't remember her name, I'm really sorry, but I've used her with the little fox on the front cover. And then inside my book I have this gorgeous little fox. I thought that would be cool as an alternative Mad Hatter, just because Hatter's got ginger hair, so I coloured the fox in to be kind of ginger and gave him the Mad Hatter coloured hat. And I made a little tuck pocket there. Then I have These were out of a tree book. I just fussy cut the images and layered them onto, this is mixed media paper, which I bought in Hobbycraft, and I've just added some washi tape. And then all of the accessories, so for example here, I've added them to the corners of the pages. And I'm just going to go really quickly and flip through these. Oh, this one I thought I could make a scene out of this book page, making it a hill or something. And my idea really was to make this a sketchbook, which I also journal in a little bit, which is why it's got this mixed media pages in it. So I can do some doodles. And then I made this little, I don't know what it's called. I don't know. It's like a mini page. And I put this lovely girl with the leaves for her dress. I think this is my favourite colour. And then pumpkin spice and all things nice. I just used some stickers and some tags that I had in my stash. More stickers. So I really enjoyed mixing up the collection pieces with the other ephemera I had in my stash. I just put a little Tim Holtz ticket in there. This was part of the book. It was an illustration of a bit of a tree trunk, which I turned into a pocket. And another bit from this was from the fruit book itself. And as well as that, another little apple from Julia's collection. And I've repeated them so you can print them out as many times as you want. Some of the pages are quite plain, some of them are a bit more decorated. That was from the trees book. That's from Julia's collection. Another one from my trees book. More from Julia's collection. I really like how that goes together. And this was part of stamp packaging from Hobbycraft. I just cut the inside out and made it into a frame. I think that might be nutmeg, I'm not sure, but I love that one. I love them all. And then another fussy cut from the tree book, and again, and then I've put Julia's accessories on top of a little tag there. Some more here. This is mostly from the tree book, but I've used one of Julia's sentiments there. Trying to go quick. That girl again that I like. I love this mushroom, I think it's really cool. And then Julia's got some whimsical like pumpkin flowers, they're really cute. Oh, I think my pages are a bit sticky there. This was a tree from the book which I coloured in with pro markers. And then I fussy cut it and stuck it onto this page. Then another one of Julia's whimsical flowers. Some more from the tree book that I fussy cut. Just a little bit of glitter. The other accessory, and then finally I made this little pocket with this tag, literally just out of random bits that were sitting on my desk or were in my little die cut boxes. So I've done the back cover the same, and then I've got, I don't know how to show you these, I've got these like dangly bits at the bottom, and that's just the bits where they hang down in the middle of the signatures. I thought I'd make a feature of them. So I've used these metal leaf beads that I cut off from an old necklace. I think I got it for free in New Look and it really wasn't my style, so I cut it up because I like the beads. And picked some more autumny colours there. So that's my journal. First junk journal I've ever sort of made. It's my second time sewing something. It was not the easiest, but I'm getting it. So that is my first project to share, and then I made a couple of Christmas cards with this girl and her little fox friend. That's Poundland paper and just some scraps. I didn't have the right pink in my stash, so I coloured it with my pro marker to match and cut a little flag out of it, and used one of my snowflakes with this little blingy thing on it. Then I don't know what happened to this one. I think I must have put something on it because it's gone a funny, I don't know, but it's still pretty. Some more snowflakes in the background, and this was silver. I got it from Hobbycraft and I just coloured it in blue to match the blue on her dress. It's actually the same pro marker, but it comes up a bit lighter. And then the last Christmas card I made was with this cute little fox. I thought I'd keep this simple because I could send it to a guy then. So yeah, those are my projects. I've gone through that super fast. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you want to have a look at anything in detail again, just let me know. I can make another video. And don't forget to check out the other ladies in the design team, which will be in the description box below, and to head over to Julia's shop to see the collection properly and not my really fast way of going through everything. And I really would consider buying those deals where you get the girl and the fox together, because it's such good value for money. Yeah, I just think it's a bargain. So I hope you enjoyed this little quick look at the collection and my projects, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!
50 awesome points to everybody who got this far in the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can find out when I release new videos. And there are a couple of videos here for your delectation if you so desire.